Alright, let's talk about the most common words. So you are given a string paragraph and a string array of the band. So the band is actually the word not shouldn't be in the paragraph, right? And return the most frequency word that is not banned. So it's guaranteed there is at least one word that is not banned, and the answer is unique. So the paragraph are case insensitive, and the answer should be returned in lowercase. So basically, you have to convert every single word or character into a lowercase, right? So if there's a banned word inside the paragraph, you have to just ignore it. Be honest. So this question is pretty straightforward. If I can actually quickly just draw a diagram. So I'm going to have a hash map. So map. So my key is actually the string. My value is integer, right? And I will just put every single word inside my key. And for example, my bob will become 1. The frequency is 1 hit. So I will traverse another. I will create a hash set. So I will just put every single bang word inside my set. So this is the array, right? So just making sure you know the hash set is the bang word, right? So I will just traverse every single band, the word inside the band to ignore the word shouldn't be in paragraph, right? And I'm just move on. A, I will just say 1. Bold, I will say 1. And low, I would say 1, right? And then so on, right? So heat, so heat is a bang word. I'm not going to do it. So bow, even though it's a uppercase, I'm going to convert to a lowercase. So this will be 2 and then so on, right? And basically this is super simple. So what you have to do is you can use the regular expression, or you can just do it by your own, right? So I can just say traverse every single char inside the paragraph. I'm going to just define a list string is a valid string, right? And here's a point, like I cannot just say this is not allowed. I cannot say word equal define a paragraph as split, and then I cannot using this space delimiter. This is because the comma and then the dot is not actually well defined inside my for loop. So actually, I have a pretty easy way. So I'm going to just create my hash set first. So I'm just going to guide you through my solution. So you know the idea already, right? So hash map string and then integer, right? I'm going to call it map, doesn't matter. And I'm going to call hash set. I'm going to put into a string, and this is going to be set, and this one is going to just store the bang word, right? So basically I'm just traverse bang string array and then start at right away. So this is pretty much it, right? So I have to traverse every single char for paragraph at 2 char array, right? So this is the problem. I'm now traversing every single chart inside a paragraph string. So how do I actually need to know, like, if the c is actually what? C is actually less than or equal to z, and c is greater than or equal to capital A, or c is less than or equal to the lowercase z, and c is greater than or equal to lowercase a, right? If this is valid, which means I'm traversing a character, right? A valid character in the alphabet, right? So if not, I can just put else, right? So I know I should actually need to add into my map, right? So every time I'm traversing the character, I'm going to lose the previous character, right? So the easy way is I'm going to create a string builder. You can create string, but string is actually using a lot of memory, and then string builder is more efficient. So this is basically it's a sp dot append a character inside my string builder, right? And I'm going to convert my stream builder to stream right over here. So it's sp.toString. So since the case is case insensitive, right? I'm gonna say word equal to word.to lowercase, right? And this is pretty much it, right? So I need to know if the word is inside my set. So the word shouldn't be inside my HashSet, which is span, right? If the setup contains the word, I'm going to just continue. I'm not going to add into my map, right? So I'm going to hash map after the map. So map dot put. I'm going to put a word and then just increase the frequency. So word as 0 and then +1. So if the word does not in the map, I'm going to initialize to 0 and then I will increment by 1. So if the word is already inside my map, I just basically just get the word and then +1 right away. So afterward, my stream builder does not reset, right? So think about it. So if I add a word into my map, and then I have a bowl, right? And then I have a space. Then I go on the next character T. My stream builder is not reset, so I'm gonna just reset my stream builder right over here. And this is pretty much it, right? So I need to know my stream builder. My stream builder could be what? Could be space. So I also need to know if my word equals as at nothing. Be honest. So if the word is equal to nothing, I don't want to add into my map. So what else? Okay, so I need to modify the paragraph string. This is because sometimes the paragraph does not include the dot at the end, right? So paragraph equal to paragraph plus dot, right? And let me see I spell it correctly. Yes, I do. So this is basically the solution, and then I just have to traverse the map. So I just want to know, like, for the band array, I'm still going to convert to the lowercase. So set that to lowercase. Set to a lowercase first, right? So just making sure I do exactly the same thing when I try to search a social word inside the sets, right? And now here's the return value, right? So I need to return the string. I'm going to say result to empty using double quote notation. And then for every single time I traverse a key set, I'm going to find out the maximum frequency, right? So I'm going to say max equal to 0. And then later on we'll return the result, right? So I'm going to say string key for map.key set, right? And then if the max is less than map.getKey, right? I'm going to assign my max to map.getKey. And then key, and then result will equal to key, right? So basically I keep updating my result and then max when I see there is a better, the greater frequency. And this is a solution. So let me try to see if I have any typo or not. Okay, I do. So this is what, okay, this is band. What am I doing? This is band. And what else? All right, let me submit. All right, this is pretty much a solution. So let's talk about time and space. And for the time, this is going to be out of B. B represent the length of the band. This is going to be out of P, be honest, the length of the paragraph. But think about it, like what you actually need to have is word equal to word.to lowercase. So this is out of W inside out of P. Contents is constant out of 1. Put is out of 1. So the worst case for the time is actually all of P times all of W, right? And this is pretty much it, right? So when I traverse, I'm going to traverse all of W, be honest, because this is the word, right? And let's talk about the space. Space is what? Space is all of map and all of set, right? And then this is all of B, right? And this is all of W, right? And this is pretty much it, right? So let me just quickly just copy my quick note. So P W, all of P times all of W, right? And the space is all of W comma B. So you have to find the maximum between the the band, the string array band over the word. So this is pretty much it, right? So think about it, right? All right, this is the solution without the regular expression. And if you want to do the regular expression one, and which is shorter, but I don't think you know the idea behind. So you can use the double backslash and then W plus. And if you don't know, just go on Google to search up. And this is a little bit better. And you still pass the test. All right. And yeah, you know the time and space are not actually good, to be honest. And let's talk about the time and space, be honest. So this is time, all of B, all of W, and this is constant, and this is all of map, so it should be all of W, right? And and they are the time, right? So the worst case is going to be all of W, comma B, be honest. And the space is going to be the same, right? You store every character in the for the band inside the bands, and you store the word inside the map, so it's still going to be the same. Determine which one is greater. And this is the solution, and I will see you next time. Bye.